In this video, we'll walk through how to program the RT40 display on the STS EZ Meter System and how to prep the meter for operation before adding product. Before using the STS EZ Meter, read and understand the owner's manual and follow all chemical label directions, and test the system with water before handling chemicals. The RT40 is programmed using the enter button and the up and down arrow keys. To reset the total during operation, hold the reset key for 3 seconds. To enter programming mode, press and hold the up and down arrows together for 5 seconds. If the unit is pin protected, enter the pin using the arrow keys and press enter. At each menu level, press enter to edit the setting, using the arrows to change the value, and then press enter again to save the change and move on to the next item. Work through the setup menu and confirm the display settings in this order: engineering units, rate time base, decimals for total, decimals for accumulated total, and decimals for rate. Next, set the input type to single and the sensor type to match the meter. The programming flow shows sensor options of read, Hall, or coil. For the STS EZ Meter, the meter values shown should be read switch setups. Now enter the calibration data. This is one of the most important steps. The RT40 requires K-factor calibration data to be entered in pulses per liter, no matter what display units you have chose. For single-point calibration, the frequency value just needs to be a non-zero number. A non-zero number must be entered. If a non-zero number is not entered, the RT40 behaves as though the K-factor is 1 pulse per liter. After that, enter the K-factor from the calibration sheet included with the manual. It is very important that you enter the K-factor number from your calibration sheet. If you do not have the original calibration sheet, there are several universal numbers that can be entered as the K-factor. The 1-inch flow meter uses a K-factor around 26.555 pulses per liter with a read switch. The 1.5-inch flow meter uses a K-factor around 13.99 pulses per liter with a read switch. Always verify the exact K-factor from the calibration sheet for your meter. After calibration, the menu continues into digital output, scaled output, repeat output, alarm output, and advanced options. For standard EZ Meter operation, these may not need adjustments unless your application requires them. When you reach end, press enter to save and exit programming. Before first use, refer to your product manual and run through the startup procedure. It's important to purge all air from the hose and plumbing. The manual notes that the gear meter will register air, so trapped air can affect the reading. We hope that this video has aided you in your ability to set up your RT40 display on your STS EZ Meter.